Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set up and use Teamwork.com's document approval process feature. First things first, you'll want to log into your Teamwork.com account and navigate to the Documents tab. This is where all the magic happens. It's the command center for all your document management needs. Now that we're there, let's create a new document. Click on the Add Document button and upload the file you want to set up for approval. This is a crucial step because it's the document that will be sent out for review and approval. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone involved in a project can view, review, and approve documents in a structured and trackable way. Next up, let's set up the approval process. Click on the Approval Process button and select Add Approval Process. Here, you can add the names or email addresses of the team members who need to approve the document. This helps us because it ensures that the right people are involved in the approval process. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is creating a workflow that notifies these team members when there's a document that needs their approval. It's all about streamlining communication and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Once you've added all the approvers, hit the Save button. Your document is now ready to be sent out for approval. Let me explain why this matters. This feature allows you to keep track of who has approved a document and who hasn't. It brings transparency and accountability to your projects and helps everyone stay on the same page. So that's it. You've now set up Teamwork.com's document approval process. It's a straightforward and efficient way to manage document approvals within your team. Remember, the goal here is to streamline your workflow, ensure everyone stays informed, and keep your projects moving forward. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.